Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. You got the van guy. Yeah, Gary.Christiance. Been here since 1981, enjoying life. And we got some great vans in today. Rare that we get trade-ins. This is a 2017, 21,000 miles. It's on the Dodge Pro Ram chassis. Come on inside, let's take a peek around. It's got a fixed running board, so you don't have to worry about it not coming in or out, and it's wide enough you can get your foot down on it to access the unit. All pleasure ways have ultra leather and memory foam. Looks like this had a little bed kit in it. You can see the seat belts tucked in here in the back. So you got another controller up back here to run the power sofa, etc. Check your holding tanks, TV, DVD player. This has got an electrical outlet in here and a reset for the refrigerator. More storage over on this side. Crank out jealousy windows. Nice big storage compartment in the back. Of course, you're not normally standing in here. This is your bedroom. Nice storage all the way down this side. All heavy duty hardware. If you look back here, you've got an electrical outlet at the end of the kitchen, and right next to that you have your control panel for your solar panel. Recessed 2-burner stove. Got a good workspace while you're not cooking. It's got your igniter and everything in here. Single lever faucet, recessed counter with Corian. Got a nice pull-out drawer here. Convection microwave. And then right below your GFI outlet, which is in here, you have little slide-out drawers. And your water pump's tucked down here, easy to get to if you need to service it. A lot of people like this because it's got a monster refrigerator. It's up off the floor. No, the controls are up here too. Easy to get to. Bathroom is very spacious for a small van now. Got a towel rack in the back. Your curtain slides over here, velcros in on the edge here to protect your vanity. Corian countertop again. Medicine cabinet. And of course the cover for your window, but it does let in some light. Some good storage down below. And your shower head's right up here. Normally 6 foot and up. You're gonna have to sit on the toilet, run your shower nozzle, get it hot in the sink, and then rinse off, turn it off, and set it back in the sink, and you're good to go. Fantastic fan above my head. It works on a thermostat. Up front, got your entertainment center, which is also where your backup camera shows up. Of course, air conditioning, power windows, power locks. USB ports, 12-volt outlets, 3 cup holders down below, one by the center console, and 2 on the right-hand side. Plenty of space to store stuff. Speaking of storing, there's a nice space over the cab to store just about anything up there. Let's pop outside and we'll take a look out there. There's your electric awning on top, LED patio light, water fill, 110 outlets if you're plugged in or you're on generator. That little sign says propane, so your propane's right down here. This one's for your barbecue. This is to fill it up. It's a frame-mounted tank. You don't have to lug it in. You just drive up and they fill it up. There's your backup camera right there. Good view backing up. Make sure you don't run into anybody or anything. And this one must be an 18 because it's got a lithium battery, lithium-ion battery. Good storage down below, receiver hitch. Got a storage area up on top. All these come with pull-down privacy shades, all the windows, and they attach to the little tabs here to keep them close for privacy. So it has a 2800 watt Onan gas powered generator right off your fuel tank. That's the exhaust for it. This is a vent for your battery, furnace intake and exhaust, hot water heater. This is a service entrance for your refrigerator and the vent up on top. Utility center. This is where you have your 110 hookup, your water cable, and turn your propane on and off. Everybody knows about outdoor showers, hot and cold water. You can rinse off. And down below here's your septic dump. It has a canister in here to put your sewer hose for easy storage, and you don't have to take it too far to do your job. Operates on regular gasoline. The fill's right here. Also, I'd like to point out one of my favorite things on these Dodge Program chassis is both mirrors are controlled from in here. You can even hit the button. The mirror folds in tight. If you're in a tight space, you don't have to worry about somebody hitting your mirror. Nice short video, but I'm sure you got a question. Just give the van guy a call. Call me at 541-554-9581. Email's at the bottom of the screen. Either way, you get me. Thank you.